This week's been a huge collection of milestones, from Monday rolling the boat out of the shed and seeing the sunlight for the very first time. Put her onto a barge on Monday afternoon, and then really big milestone yesterday where we launched the boat for the very first time. So the barge has two tugs, one at the back pushing it, one on the front sort of doing the steering, and it winds its way out through the canals, across the IJsselmeer, and then through a sequence of locks, so bring it into the Wedden, and then around the coast and into the port of Harlingen. So leaving the build shed was a massive milestone, and you could sort of view that as the end of the building phase of the project. So the next steps that are happening here, rigs in, sails on, alongside that loading the batteries, and now that we're in the water, the boat's becoming live, starting commissioning and getting it ready for sea trials. One of the biggest parts of the commissioning for us is running all the new systems up. Everything on board is such a leap in technology that it's new to everybody. So understanding that, gathering all the data, and with that, we're starting to build confidence, ready to get out to sea and go sailing.